Hi all, welcome back to my lecture series. This is Muthuminal R, Assistant Professor from the Department of Agricultural Engineering at SNS College of Technology. Today we'll see the topic on crop and crop seasons in India that comes under the unit crop water requirement for the students of 3rd year 6th semester under the subject Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. Before going into the session, let us have a small recap what we have seen in the previous lecture series. We have seen about the river development in India and Tamil Nadu, and we have seen how this river development could be managed based upon cultivable command area and based on the application, and also we have recently seen about inter-basin transfer. So today's topic for discussion is going on the crop and crop seasons in India. Agriculture in India is deeply connected with climate and monsoon patterns. Different crops grow during different seasons because temperature, rainfall, humidity, and the soil moisture all are very different throughout the year. So that means the nature follows a calendar long before humans invented one. So the farmers simply learn to read it better than anyone else. So that is the basic concept involved in the sense. India mainly has three cropping seasons: Kharif season, Rabi season, and Zaid season. Each season differs in climate, water availability, and crop suitability. The cropping season helps the farmers plan cultivation, manage irrigation, improves the productivity, and optimizes the land use. Understanding the crop season is essential for irrigation engineers because water demand changes from season to season. The Kharif crops are grown during the monsoon season. So usually it begins during the month June to July. The harvesting occurs during September to October, and these crops require water temperature that is very warm and high rainfall. The examples include rice, cotton, soybean, and maize. It is the king of Kharif crops in many parts of India, but Kharif farming is highly dependent on monsoon reliability. If the rainfall fails, the entire agricultural economy begins to trouble. So the next comes the Rabi crops are grown during the winter. That season is claimed to be as Rabi season. Sowing generally occurs October to November. The harvesting occurs during the month March to April. These crops prefer cooler climate, lower humidity. Examples include wheat, chickpea, mustard, and barley. The Rabi cultivation often depends more on irrigation because rainfall during winter is limited in many regions. This is where the irrigation system becomes true lifesavers for agriculture. The Zaid crops are grown between Rabi and Kharif season. Examples are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, and fodder crops. These are the short duration summer crops. Long duration crops such as sugarcane may continue throughout the season. These crops require careful irrigation scheduling because water demand remains high for extended periods. The crop relationship and irrigation. Different crops suit different seasons. As I have shown here, wheat depends upon Rabi, rice is on Kharif or summer, cotton comes under Kharif, mustard comes under Rabi, sugarcane is year round. Irrigation plays a critical role in stabilizing the crop growth, reducing drought stress, supporting multiple cropping. So the modern planning tools now help farmers improve the irrigation efficiency by remote sensing, soil moisture, gist mapping, precision irrigation system. Today's agriculture is becoming data driven. Even the humble farmer now consult satellites before the clouds. So let us summarize today's lecture. We have discussed about major cropping seasons in India: Kharif, Rabi, and Zaid crops. We have also seen about crop season relationships and the role of irrigation in crop planning. Understanding crop seasons helps engineers and farmers use water wisely and improve agricultural productivity sustainably. So this is what I have prepared for today's class. If you guys have any kind of doubt or anything, you guys can ping me anytime. See you at the next class. Thank you.